Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Nathan. How are you today?
Hi, Mira. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking about family today. How is your family?
My family is good. I live with my parents and my little sister. We are very close. How about your family?
I live with my father, my mother, and my older brother. We always share our time together.
That's nice. I love it when families stay close. Do you have any special family traditions?
Yes, we do. Every year at New Year, we have a big family dinner. We cook many dishes together, and we talk about our plans for the year. What about your family?
In my family, we celebrate Tet together. We clean the house, wear new clothes, and visit our relatives. We also have a lucky money tradition for children.
That sounds very fun and warm. I like hearing about different traditions. How often do you see your extended family?
I usually see them during festivals and holidays. We have a big reunion during Tet. My cousins, uncles, and aunts come over. And we play games and eat special food.
In my family, we also have a reunion during the summer holiday. We visit a park, have a picnic, and sometimes play football together.
That is wonderful. I believe these moments make us feel happy and remind us of our roots.
Absolutely. I remember one family gathering last year. We all went to the beach and had a barbecue. It was a sunny day, and we laughed a lot.
I remember a similar memory. Last winter, my family went to a small mountain resort. We built a snowman, had a snowball fight, and later sat by the fire to drink hot chocolate.
Wow, that must have been magical. I love snow and winter activities. It sounds like you have many happy memories.
Yes, I do. Family memories are very important to me. They help me feel strong and loved. What is your favorite family memory, Mira?
I think my favorite memory is our New Year dinner. I love the moment when we all sit around the table, share our wishes for the new year, and then laugh at our stories from the past year.
That is very special. For me, I always remember the time when my family and I made traditional cakes together for a festival. We helped each other, and even when it was messy, we enjoyed every moment.
Making food together is a beautiful tradition. I also like when my family cooks a meal together on weekends. It makes the meal taste even better because it is made with love.
I agree. Food and family go hand in hand. Do you have any traditions about birthdays?
Yes, in my family, we celebrate birthdays with a small party. We sing a birthday song and everyone gives a small gift. It is a simple but happy moment.
In my family, we have a similar custom. We eat a special cake and share memories from the past year. I think birthdays remind us how much we are loved.
I feel very grateful for my family, even when I have a bad day. Thinking about my family makes me feel better.
I feel the same way. Family is our first support system. They teach us kindness, respect, and love.
Yes, and traditions help keep those values alive. For example, my family always sits together for dinner, and we talk about our day. It makes me feel connected.
My family does that too. Even if we are busy, we try to eat dinner together. It is a time to share our feelings and plan for the next day.
Do you also celebrate religious or cultural festivals in your family?
Yes, we do. Besides Tet, we celebrate Christmas, even though not everyone in my family is religious. We enjoy decorating the tree, exchanging gifts, and singing carols.
That is lovely. In my family, we celebrate a mix of cultural holidays. At Christmas, we decorate our home with lights and a tree. We also have a special meal, and sometimes my family visits the church.
I think all these festivals bring joy. They help us remember our history and share love with one another.
I completely agree. Festivals are a time for forgiveness, sharing, and new beginnings. They also bring back many happy memories from our childhood.
Yes, like playing in the snow during winter or running in the fields during summer. Those moments are unforgettable.
I remember when I was young, my siblings, and I would play hide and seek in the garden during summer. It was so much fun.
I have similar memories. I used to ride my bike with my cousins in the park. We would race and laugh all day long.
Family traditions, no matter how simple, make life rich and full of meaning.
Exactly. They remind us of who we are and where we come from.
Thank you for sharing your family stories, Nathan. I love hearing about your traditions and memories.
Thank you, Mira. I enjoyed our conversation very much. It makes me appreciate my family even more.
I hope we can talk again soon and share more stories about our families and traditions.
I would like that, Mira. Our memories and traditions are very important, and sharing them makes our friendship stronger.
Yes, it does. I'm very happy we had this talk today. Have a great day, Nathan.
Thank you, Mira. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Nathan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.